Imagine you are scrolling through YouTube Shorts and suddenly you come across an artist creating an amazing drawing. You look at it and think, man, I wish I could draw like that. Maybe you have even thought about learning drawing before. You got motivated, watched a few videos, maybe even made a sketch or two, and then dropped the whole idea. Well, don't worry. In this video, we are going to clear three of the biggest doubts beginners have about drawing. And the last one is probably the most important. But before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. I have spent the last 6 years exploring the world of art, whether it's pencil sketches, realistic portraits, or anime drawings. I have tried a bit of everything, and through all these years, I have learned some things that I wish someone had told me. Now, before you continue watching, I have a small challenge for you. Today, I want you to spend just 10 minutes drawing anything that comes to your mind. It doesn't matter if it's good or bad. Why? Because one of the biggest reasons people never learn a skill is that they keep postponing the start. Now, let's get to the first question. What materials do you need to start drawing? And the answer is almost nothing. Just a piece of paper and a pencil. That's it. Most artists, including me, started with these two things. You don't need expensive sketchbooks, fancy pencils, or professional markers to begin. In fact, when you start with simple materials, you learn something much more important than techniques. You learn whether you actually enjoy drawing. So don't worry about buying expensive supplies right now. Take a page from your notebook, pick up a pencil, and start drawing. Now, the second question: what should you draw? Honestly, that's a question I still ask myself sometimes. And the solution is simple: try everything. Draw anime, portraits, objects around your room, your favorite character, landscapes, or literally anything that seems interesting. When you experiment, two things happen. First, you discover what you enjoy drawing, and second, you gain experience from every drawing you make. You will naturally find a style and subject that you genuinely enjoy. And now we come to the final thing, the simple formula that can help you improve in art: POP. Now, before you start thinking about plaster of Paris, let me explain. The first P stands for patience. Drawing takes time. You are not going to become an amazing artist overnight. Every artist you admire today was once a beginner struggling with basic sketches. The O stands for observation. Before you draw something, really look at it. Study the shapes, lines, the shadows, and the colors. Good drawing is not just about moving your pencil, it's about learning to see things properly. And the last P stands for practice. Practice consistently. You don't need to draw for 3 hours every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes of focused practice can make a huge difference. There's a popular idea from author Josh Kaufman that around 20 hours of deliberate practice can help you become reasonably good at a new skill. So, instead of worrying about becoming perfect, focus on putting in those hours. Remember, patience, observation, practice. POP. And that's it. Now stop thinking about drawing and start drawing. Pick up a pencil, grab a piece of paper, and make your first sketch today. Who knows? A few years from now, someone might be scrolling through YouTube shorts and getting inspired by your artwork.